na.
Bro, nabasa ba ito? Nabasa ba ito? Okay. Basa di mo basa yun. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my events management service. This is my logo, Ray Venture. Company profile, Ray Venture, the logo depicts the energy of concerts, events, and the passion of the audience at their favorite artist performance. About us, Ray Venture is a company that focuses on providing professional performance events for both the audience and the performers, all while delivering high-quality value-driven services from the start of the show until its conclusion. We are by your side, ensuring that everyone feels included from plan to enjoyment during the main event and post-event celebrations. Contact us. Website www.rayventure.com, email rayventureinquiry@gmail.com, Facebook Rayventure, IG Rayventure 2024. This is our vicinity map. Located at Lianas. Company tagline, your partner in settings, the station fire. Vision, to establish ourselves as a company that offers outstanding energy and service, making unforgettable experience for our clients and to be recognized, valued, and admired in the event industry. Mission, continuously providing an experience that surpasses expectation and is based on mutual respect and comprehension of the intent and result of the client's event. Core values, integrity, collaboration, attention to detail. Services offered, expert planning consultation, concert event management and coordination, concert venue, decoration and ambience, hostesses, bouncers, and security. Management capabilities, communication, organizational skills, budgeting, creativity, technology adoption. Management and team. Joshua Roque, founder and CEO, Romel Dimesa, events coordinator, Ralph San Diego, marketing lead, MD6, events, operations, technological, Gerald Sansan, events designer. This is our organizational chart. Proposal letter of intent. April 12, 2024, Ray Venture, inquiry@gmail.com, Romel Dimesa, event coordinator, Mr. Jose Cuervo, CEO, Smash Sound Republic Company, The Melody Makers, SF Hera Building, Poblacion, Makati City. Dear Mr. Cuervo, I am writing to express our enthusiastic interest in establishing a partnership with Smash Sound Republic Company, The Melody Makers, for the planning and execution of our upcoming concert events. As the event coordinator of Ray Venture, I'm confident that our collaborations can yield exceptional results and contribute significantly to the success of our mutual objectives. Sincerely, Romel Dimesa, event coordinator, Ray Venture. Proposal title, Intent to Partner for Concert Event Plan. November 15, 2024, Friday at MOA Arena, Pasay City. 2. Name of the sponsor, George F. Gray. Proposed date of the event, November 15, 2024. Name of the event, Live in Concert, The Melody Makers. Event theme, Electrifying OPM Concert. Estimated duration of the event, 1 day. Venue, MOA Arena, Pasay City. Event summary. Book featuring the popular OPM band, The Melody Makers, renowned for their vibrant and soulful performance. What an exhilarating live concert, showcasing the band's greatest hits and new tracks from their latest album. When Friday, November 15, 2024, from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m., where MOA Arena, Pasay City. Why? To celebrate the rich cultural heritage of original Filipino music and bring together fans for a night of exceptional musical experience. How? The event will be held in a spacious venue designed for optimal sounds and audience enjoyment. Tickets can be purchased online through the official event website or at select retail outlets. The concert will include interactive audience segments and merchandise stands featuring exclusive and memorabilia. This is my poster. This is our floor seat plan. This is our venue map, Molopecia. Concert program, 8 p.m. to 8:10 p.m. opening remarks, 8:10 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. first act, surprise special guest performance, 8:30 p.m. to 8:40 p.m. second act, orchestra music performance, 8:40 to 9:40 p.m. third act, 9:10 to 9:30 fourth act, 9:30 to 9:50 surprise special guest performance, 9:50 to 10 p.m. closing remarks and last song performance. Proposed options, venue. Food stall, snack time.
This is our budget.
Subtotal, 660,000. Total, 937,000.
This is for budget of execution.
For option B, for subtotal, 1,320,000. And grand total is 1,874,000. Ready?
This is quotation for rental.
Quotation for venue rental,
Wala nang price.
130,000 pesos. Quotation for catering services, 50,000 pesos. Memorandum of agreement, event details, services provided by the event organizer, event name, live in concert, the Melody Makers. Date of event, November 15, 2024. Venue, MOA Arena, Pasig City. Time, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m.
Payment.
Payment terms. The client agrees to pay the event organizer a total fee of 2,327,500 pesos for the services rendered. Deposit 1 million due upon signing of this agreement. Balance 1,327,500 pesos due by October 31, 2024. Cancellation. If the client cancels the event, they must notify the event organizer at least 90 days in advance. In this case, the deposit is non-refundable. If the event organizer cancels the event for reasons beyond their control, the client will receive a full refund of any payments made.
Paper lang.
SWOT analysis. Strengths, niche market, cultural appeal, loyal fan base, diverse audience. Weakness, saturated market, high cost, dependence on big artists, limited international reach. Opportunities, resurgence of OPM, hybrid concerts, tourism tie-in, brand partnerships. Threats, economic challenges, competition, weather or adversity issues, health and safety risks. Business permit.